Hey, my name is Dustin. I'm 24 years old, and for as long as I can remember, I have loved theme parks. Don't believe me? That's me. It could have all started with my first ice cream cone. Maybe it was the first time I hugged Mickey. Or probably it was my first ever ride. I mean, look at me. Have you ever seen anybody that fascinated with It's a Small World? I was hooked.
It's fun. You want to go on it again?
Ever since that day, I have been to more theme parks than I can count, have been on more rides than I could ever try to say, and have heard the phrase,
"The moving walkway exit is approaching. Please, watch your step."
Probably one too many times. From long lines to Fast Pass to Gate A and to the Star. Not Starway. I just can't seem to get enough of them.
Best place in the world. Can I take a picture of this?
I'm not sure what it is. I just don't seem to get tired of it.
Dustin's sleeping.
Oh, well, that's embarrassing. Anyways, I've held other YouTube accounts, I've been a blogger, but nothing has felt quite like this. This is the place where I get to share what I love and do what I love every single day. I'm glad you found me, and I hope you decide to stick around. I have many more parks to visit and many more memories to make. Join me and let's take this next ride together. Theme Park Shark is recorded in front of a live audience in Nickelodeon Studios at Universal Studios in Orlando, Florida.